Hi guys. Well, this time you're not gonna be able to see me, but you can hear me. One of your assignments is to do your spelling words in alphabetical order, and I'm gonna go over some of the words in the list and help you out with that. What I've told my students in the past is that writing the alphabet at the top of your paper can help. That way, you don't have to keep saying your ABCs over and over to see which letter comes next. So, obviously, we have some of our spelling words here. The first thing I'm going to do is look for the first letter in each word, and I'm going to look for one that might start with an A. So I'm going to go through. Okay, so anthill. So, my first one would be anthill. Okay, now I'm going to look for bees. Oh, here's a bee. But I also see there's another bee up here. Let me make sure there's no more bees before I keep going. Oh, two bees. Okay. Well, when you have words that have the same first letter, you have to look at the second letter. Uh-oh. Look at that. They both have an I. That means I now have to go to the third letter. Okay, well, the third letter in this one is L. And the third letter in this word is T. Well, I hope most of you don't have to look at your alphabet to know that L comes way before T in the alphabet. So I would write Bill and then bit. Okay, so now I've done my A's, my B's. Now I'm at C's. I can already tell there's a bunch of C words. So we're going to have a tough time with C's. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 C's. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, got another one down here. And I'm just going to star them so I don't get confused because I already underlined the other ones. And another C1 cramp down here. Okay. So, they all have C's. Now we're going to go to the second letter. So, L and A. All right, well, camp's going to come before clap. A and another L. Well, camp still wins. That's going to come before click. Come down to this one. Okay, that also has an A. So I got to come back to that. And cramp has an R. So I know that one's not going first. So we have cat and we have camp. The third letter is an M or a T. Well, I know M comes before T. Okay, so now I'm going to mark those off. I've done those. Got to go to my other ones. I have 2 CL words. And then I have a CR. Well, L comes before R, so I can go back up to the L's. Now I'm going to go to the third letter. There's A and I. Well, that's easy. Clap comes... A comes before I in the alphabet. I know that. And then I can write click. And then I can cross these off. I know I've done those. And then my last C word would be cramp. And that's as much as I'm going to do because I think you can do the rest yourself. So I helped you out. Now, don't follow this because I didn't put all the spelling words in there. So make sure you go over your list carefully. I only threw a few in there. So just, you can follow this, but put in any that I missed in between where they belong. And good luck. Next, the wind just blew that away. Perfect timing. Is your vocabulary. Let's see, I don't think I can flip this thing around. I don't know how to flip it around again. Isn't that funny? Well, your vocab words I wrote down here. 8. So, you have all the definitions for this. I will use it in a sentence. My foot ached after I ran 3 miles in new sneakers. Okay? Your second vocab word is concentrate. Okay, Right? You have your definition in front of you on the piece of paper that's located under language arts for the second week. And you are all going to concentrate on your work this week. And the next one is discovery, and then educated. My battery in my phone is dying. All right. I made a discovery while I was walking in the woods. Educated. You are all educated in school. Okay. So I gave you a few sentences for your vocab words to better understand them. And if you look them over and study them every week, you'll do fine on every day. You'll do wonderful on your test. You don't have to know the spelling, but it's good to write them so that you get in the hang of get used to writing out the words and sounding them out as you write them so that you can say them correctly. So good luck on your alphabetical order, and you're going to use these vocabulary words on page 1 in your Reading Wonders workbook and follow the directions for that page. Good luck.